Snow plowing with an ATV is either weirdly satisfying or a total mess if you buy the wrong blade. So let's fix that. Because the difference between clean driveway in 10 minutes and why is my ATV crab walking sideways is mostly the plow you bolt on. Alright, here's what's inside this video. 5 popular ATV snow plows with the real stuff people don't tell you, like what feels solid, what feels flimsy, what actually rolls snow instead of just bulldozing it, and which ones make you mutter, yeah, that's not gonna last, halfway through the season. Number 5. DENALI Universal ATV Snow Plow. The DENALI is one of those plows that looks like it wants to be taken seriously right out of the box. The blade design has a 17-inch scoop and uses 11-gauge steel for the blade, plus reinforcing ribs and stabilizers that give it that, okay, this isn't toy metal vibe when you grab the edge and shake it a little. And the kit approach is nice because you're not hunting down random parts later, since it's meant to come with the blade, push tubes, a wear bar, skid feet, and a universal mount setup. When I ran it across a long driveway, the biggest thing I noticed was how the blade shape actually helps snow roll forward instead of piling up into a dead stop. That 65-degree attach angle and over-center style is doing real work there, and you can feel the difference when the snow starts climbing the blade and spilling where it should. It's not magic, but it's the difference between pushing a wall and pushing a wave. Angle options are decent. The push tubes let you set 5 blade positions, including straight and angled, so you can clear a path and then windrow snow off to one side without constantly fighting the machine. It's a manual angle setup, not some luxury from the seat thing, but it's functional. Now, here's the part where things get a little real. This system requires a winch to lift the blade, and it's not included, so if you're new to plowing, that extra cost can sneak up on you. Number 4. Extreme Max UniPlow One-Box ATV Plow. This is the plow people buy when they want one box, one purchase, and fewer surprises. The UniPlow concept is basically, here's the blade, here's the push tube, here's the mount, stop overthinking it. The blade is a 50-inch by 16-inch steel unit, multi-position with a replaceable wear bar, and it's finished in black powder coat so it doesn't instantly look like it lived at the bottom of a salted road. What I like is how the mount design is meant to transfer plowing force to the ATV frame behind the wheels instead of letting everything flex off the front end. That matters because when you hit packed snow, you don't want the whole front of your machine taking the stress like a punching bag. And after the first install, the quick release style connection is genuinely fast, like 2 pins, and you're not messing around for half an hour. In use, the feel is pretty predictable. It pushes light to moderate snow cleanly, and for residential driveways, it does what you bought it to do. The wear bar is 2-sided, which is one of those little thank you features because it means you're not replacing it the second you grind it down. And the skid pads help keep you from accidentally shaving off your driveway edges when you're half awake in a snowstorm. Okay, let's be a bit critical because this is ranked number 4 for a reason. 3. Kolpin ATV Switchblade Plow. The Kolpin is the one that makes people raise an eyebrow because of the adjustable blade width idea. Depending on the version, it can adjust between 48 and 60 inches, which is honestly super useful if you're plowing tight areas 1 minute and open driveway the next. And it comes as a plow in a box style system minus the winch, so you're still using your own lift solution. The blade is stamped steel with a reinforced edge, and the chassis is a square tube steel setup with reinforcements in the places you'd want them. That stamped blade design isn't automatically worse than a thicker plate blade, by the way, but it does have a different feel. It's more formed for shape, less brick wall of steel, and in real snow, that can actually be nice because it helps it glide and roll snow rather than just smash into it. One thing I genuinely liked was the 5-position blade angle setup. It gives you enough options to control where the snow goes, and when you're doing repeated passes, that matters more than people think, because the whole game is not just moving snow, it's stacking it in the right place, so you're not replowing the same mess every time. Assembly time is marketed as under an hour, and yeah, with decent tools and a calm brain, that's believable. 2. Warn ProVantage Plow. The Warn is the plow that starts feeling like, okay, this is serious equipment. Warn's ProVantage blades are known for thick steel construction, heavy-duty ribbing, and a center crossmember to add rigidity. And when you're pushing into dense snow, rigidity is basically your stress level. Less flex equals more control, and more control equals fewer moments where your ATV feels like it's being dragged by the blade instead of driving it. What I really appreciate is how much attention Warn puts into the system details and serviceability. There are updates like improved trip mechanism behavior, improved pivot and latching, and even winch hook attachment design tweaks meant to reduce rope wear and setup time. And those sound like boring details until you're outside, it's windy, your gloves are wet, and you just want the blade to latch without a fight. Warn also offers practical add-ons and options that actually matter in daily use. Things like a rubber snow flap to reduce blowover, sidewalls for more scoop control, and UHMW wear bars for sensitive surfaces like decorative concrete or pavers. That's the kind of stuff that turns plowing from brute force into clean and controlled. Angle control is also a strong point in the Warn ecosystem. There's a 5-way angle concept on Warn plow blades, and the manual angle mechanism is designed so you pull the handle and the spring snaps into the new position, which is simple and reliable. Polaris 52-inch steel Glacier plow blade. This is the one that feels like Polaris built it for people who don't want to negotiate with winter. The Glacier Pro is 17 inches tall, which doesn't sound dramatic until you're pushing through that chunky mid-storm buildup and you realize taller blades keep snow from spilling back into your lap. And the construction is heavy-duty steel, aimed at durability and performance, which is exactly what you want when the snow turns wet and heavy. The vibe here is confidence. That extra blade height and the way the blade is described as sturdy steel and built to push through deep snow is not marketing fluff when you're actually out there doing repeated passes. You line up, drop the blade, roll forward, and you don't feel the system getting bullied by the pile. Fit and integration is a big reason it lands at number 1. Polaris uses lock and ride technology on this blade, and that OEM ecosystem benefit is real because it often means fewer weird alignment issues and less trial and error compared to more universal systems. You know that feeling when something bolts up like it was meant to exist there? Yeah, it's that. In use, what stands out is control. The blade height gives you better snow management, and that helps you keep your windrows cleaner and your path more predictable. And predictable equals fast. And fast equals you being inside with coffee sooner. Final thought? That's all for today, folks.